Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the third edition of the Uttar Pradesh International Trade Show 2025 in Greater Noida today. In his address, Prime Minister Modi welcomed over 2,200 exhibitors at the show and expressed happiness over their participation. Prime Minister Modi said self-reliance is an important aspect in this changing world and a country like India should not be dependent on anybody.
दूसरों पर निर्भर होने से ज्यादा व्यवस्था कोई और हो ही नहीं सकती। बदलती हुई दुनिया में जो देश जितना ज्यादा दूसरों पर निर्भर रहेगा, उसकी ग्रोथ उतनी ही कॉम्प्रोमाइज रहने वाली है। और इसलिए भारत जैसे देश को किसी पर निर्भर रहना अब मंजूर नहीं है। इसलिए भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना ही होगा। हर वो प्रोडक्ट जो हम भारत में बना सकते हैं, वो हमें भारत में ही बनाना है।
Prime Minister Modi further highlighted that the world is recognizing India's fintech system, which is driving inclusive development through its platform for all, progress for all approach.
आज विश्व में हमारे फिनटेक सेक्टर की बहुत चर्चा है। इस फिनटेक सेक्टर की सबसे खास बात है कि इसने समावेशी विकास को, इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट को बहुत ताकत दी है, बढ़ावा दिया है। भारत ने ऐसे ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म बनाए जो सबको साथ लेकर चलते हैं। यूपीआई, आधार, डिजी लॉकर, ओएनडीसी, ये हर किसी को मौका दे रहे हैं। यानी प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल, प्रोग्रेस फॉर ऑल।
Scheduled from September 25th to 29th, the mega event will present Uttar Pradesh's industrial, agricultural, cultural and innovation strengths on a global stage. Russia is the partner country this year, with 30 companies showcasing their products and services. More than just a platform for trade and investment, UP International Trade Show aims to create a future-ready ecosystem for youth, entrepreneurs and international delegates, while celebrating the state's diverse identity through the confluence of craft, culture and cuisine. Aimed at showcasing India's strengths in the food processing sector, food sustainability and the production of nutritious and organic food, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in the World Food India 2025 at around 6:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. The four-day event will have multiple thematic sessions covering a wide range of topics, including India as a global food processing hub, sustainability and net zero in food processing frontiers, India's pet food industry, processed foods for nutrition and health, plant-based foods, nutraceuticals, specialty foods, among others. It will feature 14 pavilions, each dedicated to specific themes, and will attract around 100,000 visitors. It will also showcase 21 exhibiting countries along with 150 international participants.